Question 17. Bit of a puzzle here. It's almost like a bit of a riddle. It says Freddie is half as tall as his mother. Freddie is 1 metre shorter than his father. Freddie's father is 100 centimetres tall. How many centimetres tall is Freddie's mother? So it's his mother that we're interested in. Now we've got a series of clues, okay? 3 clues. We're going to use those clues to figure out how tall his mother is. Now the important thing to realise is here is that the first clue isn't necessarily the most useful clue to start us off. Sometimes the exam deliberately mixes up the clues because they don't want to make it too easy. So sometimes the second clue or even the last clue can be the one that's most helpful. So let's have a look at what we've got. Well, Freddie is half as tall as his mother. That's fair enough. We can see this from the picture. This one's probably his mother. This one looks like the father, and this is probably going to be Freddie in the middle. But we can tell that from the picture anyway. Freddie's 1 metre shorter than his father. Well, that doesn't really help us because we don't know how tall his father is yet. But the last clue is the one that's going to help us most to begin with, because Freddie's father is 180 centimetres tall. So there's his father. So drawing a little arrow, and his father is 180 centimetres. So clue number 1 we've drawn onto the picture. Now let's see what else we can do. Freddie is 1 metre shorter than his father. Well, 1 metre shorter than 180, if you take off the 1 metre, which is 100, remember 1 metre is 100 centimetres. So if you take off 100 centimetres, that means Freddie must be 80 centimetres. So Freddie is going to be 80 centimetres. So that is that clue sorted. Now then, the final clue is actually the first one. Freddie is half as tall as his mother. Well, if 80 centimetres is half of his mother's height, if we double that 80 centimetres, we'll find what his mother's height is. So his mother, for writing green for his mother, is going to be the 80 centimetres times 2. 80 times 2, 2 8s are 16. Add your extra 0 1 is going to be 160. So his mother is going to have to be 160 centimetres. And from these 3 clues, we've actually been able to work out all 3 heights. But again, I'll emphasise that it was the last clue that we really had to begin with, and we almost had to work in reverse with the clues. So the final answer, how tall is Freddie's mother? It's 160 centimetres. So that's what we need to write in the answer box. There is no quick method to find his mother's height straight away. You've got to find his father and Freddie's height as well first.